Welcome everyone, let's save the battery life in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. So the first step is I want you to open up the settings app. From here you're going to find battery and device care. If you don't see it, just scroll down. And once we're here, we're going to tap on battery. You're then going to see this option called power saving. If you tap into it, you can change which options power saving uses. So by default, turn off always on display, limit CPU speed to 70, decrease brightness by 10% and turn off 5G. You cannot turn off the option for the refresh rate to be lower to 60. You can also turn on limit apps and home screen as well. And this will only allow selected apps which you choose. Okay. So let's turn this guy on. And this does most of the work for you, okay? It's going to limit the refresh rate, lower the processor speed, etc. But one more thing you can do is slide down twice from the top. Okay, so slide down once, slide down twice, slide across. You want to find dark mode and turn on dark mode. Because what dark mode does is when there are pixels which are black, they're actually off, okay? And so when the pixels are off, that means less power consumption is going to be used. On top of that, if you open up settings and you search for scan link, you're going to see here location, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi scanning. Tap on it and just turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. When these two are off, what that means is you'll still be able to connect to Wi-Fi, still be able to connect to Bluetooth. However, in the background, when Wi-Fi is off, when Bluetooth is off, or when you don't need this, these networks won't be scanned for, okay? This does not prevent you from seeing Wi-Fi networks. This does not prevent you from seeing Bluetooth networks. This actually scans for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth networks even when you don't need it, even when the Wi-Fi is off, even when the Bluetooth is off. So it uses a lot of battery. It's used to track you even if location services is off. Definitely turn this one off. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.